Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Nails on a Dime. I'm Janai and today I have another watch me work. I got my fan going on in the background. I don't feel like getting up to turn it off, so if you hear it, it's my fan, y'all. But here I'm just making it stiletto. These are the easy coffin tips that I talk about a lot of times, so I do recommend you getting these. It saves a lot of work and you don't have to worry about making the shape perfect because the shape is already perfect for you. And this again, I'm not going to be doing much talking. I'm going to just go ahead and let you guys watch what I'm doing and just take notes or whatever. But I'm going to just come back when I start doing the acrylic and talk to y'all about that. Okay, so when it comes to application, I know there's bead methods and everything like that, but in my opinion, I just feel like it's just based off of you and how you work. Like if you do a 5 bead method or 1 bead method, whatever, that's you. I just feel like it's just based on you as a person. Like there's no right or wrong when it comes to applying acrylic. So pretty much my tip for y'all is just dip it in the liquid, hold it in the powder, 1 2 3 1 2 3, dry it off, pat, and then you apply the acrylic. That is my way to just getting that perfect application. The bead is not going to be too dry, too wet. It's just like that perfect bead. Then when I first started doing acrylic too, I would just like put the bead on the nail and then just immediately start swiping down. And then in the process of doing that, I was taking away a lot of the acrylic. So you see here, I kind of like rest the bead and then gently like pat the sides, working my way down the nail, if that makes any sense. So you see I'm going like side to side and just slowly moving it instead of like forcefully brushing the acrylic down or just slapping it down there. You're just gonna like take that ball, put it on the nail and pat the sides, pat it down a little bit and just gradually work your way down to the tip of the nail. So here's another example. I already did my 3 and 3 pat on. You see me patting on the towel, and then I'm just moving side to side, and just working my way down. Okay, so don't get on me for my little brush or whatever, but I don't know what happened to the brush, but you see like how it's like really long and just, I don't know. So I just pretty much have to do my own way of applying the top coat. But my top coat is from Madame Glam. I think it was about like $9 or whatever, but yeah. Pretty much nothing too spectacular with this, just applying it. Make sure you're getting the side walls of the nail. You see me like sliding down the nail on the sides. I don't even know how to say it, but it's because when you have a lot of the gel on the top and you put it in the UV lamp, it takes away from the shape a little bit and you have to go back and file. So I just wipe down the sides to make sure that there's no extra of the gel on the sides. But yeah, that's all that I have for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave any video suggestions, questions, comments, concerns in the comments below, and I'll respond or make a video on it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.